Travertine Cleaning, Cobham, Surrey by Fabritech Tile Cleaning. Are you struggling to clean a dull, scratched, or even damaged travertine floor? Have you thought of contacting a specialist? But the fear of costly repairs, the mess of renovation, and the possibility of damaging your floors further can be overwhelming. It's a problem that seems too big to tackle. This is where Fabritech Tile Cleaning can help. Our specialist travertine restoration services will restore your floors, bringing back their original beauty and charm, without the mess and exorbitant costs. With years of expertise in floor care, Fabritech can clean, polish, repair holes, repair grout and seal your floors, restoring them to their original finish. Contact Fabritech Tile Care today on 01784 775 813. Or use our simple contact form at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk. Don't let your beautiful travertine floors remain a canvas of wear and tear.